Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I have two old foundations. Number one, I don't remember if I like them or not. Number two, I don't remember what they look like. And number three, they could be dupes. I'm not really sure. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yup, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. So like a while back in 2024, I did a declutter of my foundations, and I had a whole bin of foundations that I had no idea what I thought about them. So little by little, I'm trying to get through them because either I'm going to keep them or I have to get rid of them. So I came across these two foundations. This is the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint, and this is in 210 Light Medium. And then I also came across the It CC Nude Glow Color Correcting Medium Coverage Skin Tint. No friggin' clue. No clue. So I don't know if these are dupes. I'm not even sure. All I saw was Milani Glow, It CC Nude Glow. I'm not really sure. I don't even know if the colors match, but I figured let's just try them out because, girl, I got to be honest with you. It's a whole bin back there. I got to get rid of it. I have to get rid of it. I have to start organizing what I have, and hopefully this year I am going to stick to my low buy, although I just put an order for e.l.f. and I did get it. Here's the thing, e.l.f. is pretty reasonable. That's my excuse. And I did get a gift card for Ulta, so I've been purchasing stuff from Ulta. Nothing crazy, but does that count though? Because e.l.f. is pretty stinking reasonable, and I have a gift card. Does that count? I don't know, but I'm really going to try to stay on my low buy. Look at you. It is only January. And as we're sitting down, I don't even know when it is, the 10th, the 12th, the 13th. I have no idea. And you're already struggling. You're already struggling with a low buy? Girl, stop. Stop it. Anywho, let's just dive right in. I'm going to just put my hairdo back. I'm like so stinking tired today. I finally took down my tree. What a friggin' disaster. Like, if it weren't that my younger daughter like loves Christmas, girl, why can't we just have a little Charlie Brown? No. And it's got to be real to boot. I have pine needles all over the place. More of the story is I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm going to go in with the Pixie. You know how I feel about it. This is the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. It is about 3:30 now. So my skin is pretty, not that it's dry, but you know, we did all our moisturizer and stuff this morning. So I just want to refresh my skin. And yeah, let's dive in. So I think I'm going to do the Milani on my right, and I'm going to do the It on the left. I don't know. Could these be dupes? Not sure. I did see a video that the It CC Nude Glow, I think somebody tried to dupe it with the L'Oreal Age Rewind. Not Age Rewind? Age something. But I distinctly remember I didn't care for it, so I got rid of that one. So, but we'll see. Let me just look both of these products up, and I just want to share with you what they entail. Okay, it's $6.49 at Ulta. It used to be $12.99. Let's see here. It's vegan, cruelty-free details. There we go. This blends seamlessly and blurs imperfections. Made in the U.S., loaded with Moisture Queen Squalene at a 29% level that prevents hydration loss, and locks in moisture. Enhanced with a skin-quenching electrolyte and coconut water blend, paraben and sulfate-free. Great. Okay, so let's just try that. Do I shake it? I'm going to just shake it. I'm going to make an assumption it's a skin tint, so it really doesn't have that much coverage. I have nothing on my face. You know, when I test out like products, like foundation skin tints, I don't like to deviate, so I'm not going to spot conceal. You know, I've been really enjoying spot concealing. So this is what this color looks like. It's pretty runny. Not like crazy runny, but enough to let you know this is a pretty thin foundation. What should I put it on with? I want to try and use the same like density of a brush. So this is the Roseanna C42. It's pretty stiff, but enough give to it. And I think I'm going to use, you know, my usual BK Beauty 106. This is a little bit less dense. You know what I think I'm going to do? I take it all back. I have the new one. This one is in the core trio, I think. It's just a baby version of the 106. This is the 116, so I guess we'll use that. This one's a little bit more packed, but it's kind of the same. Let's just try that. So, shish kabibble. My mirror is all the way over there. I'm going to just use this mirror here. So this color looks pretty dark for this time of year. But we're just checking out. Yeah, this is so orange. What in the hey-ho and the what? But let's see if we can make it work. Let us see if we can make this little lover work. It is very glowy. Super, super pretty. Damn, if this was a different color. What the heck? What did it say? I mean, light, medium, neutral. This is a light, medium, neutral. That is not true. Although I will tell you, when I blend it out, it is pretty though, right? I'm going to take whatever's left over and I'm going to just stipple because I really want to see if I could build it up. It is so friggin' glowy. Wow. This is like a legit skin tint. Look at that. That is so glowy. I think I want to try and see if I can build it up a little bit. This would be so freaking pretty for the summertime. But yet here we are, girl, in the dead of winter. I'm going to see if I can build it up. Not really. This is like a legit skin tint. This is so pretty though. You know? Okay, so I did my best trying to do like half the face. So this is the Milani Glow Skin Tint. It's pretty though. It's pretty. Okay, so let me just wipe my hand. And then on this side, we're going to use the It. I don't think I've had good successes. I'm going to just prime this. I don't think I've had good successes with It CC products. I could be wrong. Again, this is why we're doing this video. I don't freaking remember. So I'm going to just pump that on. Okay, so this is legit neutral. That is a nice color. And then this one is just medium. Go figure. Go figure. So we're going to do that. See, that is nice. Okay. I'm going to tell you right off the bat right now, I don't think these are dupes. I could be wrong. You got some nerve, girl. You put stuff on your face and you didn't even smell it. I'm going to go in on this side with the 116. I'm smelling something. Could be this. Not really sure. Almost like a suntan lotion kind of smell. I don't know what I'm smelling, but okay, I take it all back. I think these are dupes. Maybe the color is off slightly. Hold it. Huh. I mean, the color is off, obviously. And I want to say that the It is giving a little bit more coverage, if you will. But I gotta tell you the truth, I'm not mad at either one of them, other than like this color is off. But this would look pretty like in the summer with like a little bit of a tan. Interesting. Listen, I can't keep all of you. I just can't. Like every time I'm like, no, I don't think so. And then I put it on and I'm testing it out. They both look so beautiful. Now, I will tell you, girl, if you have oily skin, you're not going to like anything glowy. I'm going to come close to you. It is very, very glowy. I'm just thinking out loud. Number one, why'd you buy it? And number two, like, why would anybody, well, I was going to say, like, why would anybody want their face this glowy? But I guess if people who have dry skin would like it. But it is pretty though, right? What do you guys think? I'm going to tell you that the It gives me like the tiniest bit more coverage. But I have to tell you, they look the same. Wow. Other than like maybe like right over here, I think the Milani looks a little bit more shiny. But girl, we're going to set it and everything. I will tell you, it looks, both sides look friggin' beautiful. And now that I have them both on, could you really tell that they're different colors? Like maybe this one's a little bit darker, but I think it looks beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is, let me just do the rest of my face. I want a powder. I got this NYX, can't stop. I know, girl, it's not new. It's only been out for a billion years, but it's new to me. I just did a video on reviewing new products. I'll put it in the cards, like right over here. But I really love this. So we're gonna set the face with this, but you know, girl, nothing new. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear bronzer, and I have this one in 300 light medium. I really want to declutter more of my decluttering moving forward. You know, just like now, I thought for certain I'm not gonna like either one of these. I don't like glowy. I don't like it that it's so stinking glowy. I never had a good experience with it face. There we go, and here we are, and I think I like them both. But it is really pretty though. Like, why are you testing these out in the middle of friggin' winter? That's what I want to know. But girl, it is what it is. Here we are. Damn, this is so pretty. Jeez Louise. That looks nice. Let's just take this down the neck. Okay, so that is so pretty. Blush, I'm going in with the Patrick Ta, and this is not too much. I think I'm going to use it the traditional way, Patrick. Go figure. I think I'm going to go in with the cream first and then set with the powder. Because, girl, I'm already glowy. I am already glowy. So I'm going in with the cream first. I'm going like this. Girl, where you going with cream? Actually, I'm going to just use this mirror. And I'm going in with the cream. This is so pretty. Gee whiz. Look how pretty that is. Oof. That is so nice. Wow, that is beautiful. If you feel like you went a little bit too far on the blush, just go whatever tool you used for your foundation. Just go around the perimeter. Damn, that is so pretty, right? Wow, I'm gonna take another brush. I think I'll take this, no, that's too big. Here we go. This is the BK Beauty, this is the BK Beauty 112. And I'm gonna just set that. I'm gonna put the powder right on top. I'm just tapping. Look how beautiful. Oh man alive. That is so nice. Now, do we even need a highlighter? I mean, I'm pretty glowy. Boy, oh boy, this is really, interesting. Listen, let's just do it. I'm going in with the highlighter. This is the Makeup by Mario Soft Glow highlighter, and this is in Pearl. But we'll just do like a tiny bit, just a tiny bit, because I don't need it. Look at that, just ever so slightly, just at the high points. Ooh, that is so gorge. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face. I'm not gonna set under the eyes because I'm gonna step off now because I have to do another video, and then I will come back to share with you what I think. So I am gonna go in with the NYX, but I want to go with the brush. This is the Sigma setting powder F12 brush, and I just want to see out of curiosity, like if this sets. So I'm gonna just yeah, wow, that is so pretty. So I'm gonna just set the T-zone minus my under eyes because I don't have any concealer on. Ooh, that is so beautiful. I'm just curious to see, even when you set it, I'm just curious to see, does the glow like peek through, which it does, but not too much. Like if you don't set it, I think it was just too much for my liking. But it's beautiful. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Okay, so I'm gonna step off. I need to do another video, and then I will come back. That'll also give the product some time to like seep in with your natural oils. I'm just curious to see how it's gonna look. Probably about an hour. Let me just feel it. They're both sides are pretty tacky. I'm just seeing if I could, because I normally wouldn't put I normally wouldn't put a lot of powder on anyway, because you know, girl, I'm not a powdery kind of girl. The forehead cooled down a lot, and that looks gorgeous. Both sides. Yeah, it's still a little tacky. But anyway, so let me just step off, and I'll come back, and then I'll give you my final results. But in the meantime, out of curiosity, what do you guys think? This side is the Milani. And this side is the It. Hold that thought. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It's been about an hour-ish, and both sides are still tacky. You saw how much powder I put on. Like, I thought that was enough, but both sides are still tacky. I have to be honest, I think it's a dupe. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's a dupe. I mean, now that all my makeup is on, can you tell the difference? And would you know maybe that the Milani is a little bit darker, even though the It says medium and this is light medium? It just, I think the tone is just off. But would you guys know by just looking at me that I had two different foundations on? I think they are both so beautiful. I have a puff here. I'm going to see if I could use the powder with the puff to see if that will lighten up the tackiness. But I just want to just look one more time. Yeah, no, they look exactly the same to me. So let me just go in with the powder, and this time I'm going to use a puff. And I just want to see. I'm going to go right here into my pores. I mean, it does mattify it. Obviously, the Can't Stop, Won't Stop is a great powder. Who said that? Who said it's a great powder? Like, you're a professional. You know that a powdery kind of girl. But out of curiosity, I just want to see if I just use a puff with it. The face looks fabulous. But yeah, no, it's a little bit less tacky, but it's still tacky. So just so you know, these glowy products do not set, in my opinion. I think they're both beautiful. I think if you have oily skin, you're not going to like them. I think either one of them would be perfect for the summertime. Although here's the thing. I know like in the summertime, people would probably gear to more like mattifying, because girl, we're sweating. It's hot out. We're already oily, greasy. Why would you want to put a glow on? But see, like I'm 57 years old. I have mature skin. I love that glow. Now, like for me personally, it's not too much, but for some people it may be, especially people who have oily skin. But I love that glow. Did I feel like I needed to set, like probably in my T-zone and right over here for my pores? Yes. But other than that, if it was summertime, I would let the glow go, girl. Maybe even the winter, I'm not even sure. But I think these are dupes. I'm not gonna lie. I think these are dupes. I think they're both great, but I will tell you, I think I'm going to get rid of the Milani, and I think I'm gonna keep the It, only because I love the color. I think the color match was so spot on, and it gave a little bit more coverage. So I think I'm gonna keep this one, and unfortunately, I'm gonna discard the Milani. P.S. I just wanted to let you know the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint is $6.49 on Ulta. And $10 on Amazon, $10.42. Originally the price was $13, so this is $13, and then It is $47. So listen, girl, $13 and $47. I mean, they really look identical. But that's it, guys. Leave me some comments below. Do you guys have these two products? Did you keep one and not the other one? Did you keep them both? Did you get rid of both? Leave me some comments below. What do you guys think of these two products? But anyway, so that is it, guys. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys, be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.